too. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I wanna play feel good songs, no? Magkano gastos mo sa season 2, ma? Wala kang pakialam. Pag pinili ko yung pag-ibig at wala siyang kwentang kanta, ibablock kita. Sigurado kaya nire-request mo yan. Are you sure? Akala ko Miss Congeniality, like, girl, I mean, gets nyo ba? Gets. Period. Hi, dear. Minty fresh or Rowena Guanzon? Siguro minty fresh. Pag gano'n parang nalilimutan ko huminga, okay lang ba yun? Malimutan ko huminga. Boss, alam mo nakakatawang pwedeng mangyari sa career ko. Gusto niyo mong malaman? Mga sister, tanungin niyo ko ano. Pumasok lang siya sa isip ko right now. Tanong niyo. Ay, so pala yung nagtatanong. Gusto ko ako'y pinipilit. Oh. Ayan, tatlo na yung pinilit na ako. Ayan, pinilit na. Oh. Pinilit na ako. May nag-chat kanina na na siyang putang ina. Pinakapasabog na posibleng mangyari sa career ko ay kunin din ako ng Ema lang yun. Ng cream silk. Hindi ba? Gets mo ba? Makuha din ako ng cream silk, te. Bobo no question, te. Cream silk o cream O? Dumb bitch. Oo. Bobo ka, te. Oh my God, can you imagine? Lit yun, te. What do you mean? Merong te. Merong aswang na drag queen, te. Kulay puti yung mata. Kanti siya, sister. Katabi ng mga magagandang babae. Bitch, I'm gonna fucking cry. Like, can you imagine that? Ayaw mo po shampoo ng K9, i-block kaya kita. GB ako sa mga ganyan. Kumbaga ay harmless jokes. Pero dapat naka-gray hair kami. Di ba nga? Parang kant yun, te. Na magandang-maganda na na hair buo. Fierce yun, te. Holy shit. Oh my God. With Marina Sanchez, Evil the Queen. And, putang ina mo, makrimpay ka sa Sama. Diba? Tapos siyang putang ina. Like, it's the ultimate crisscross of careers. Pati yung dress mo gawa sa hair. Ang dami na nangyayari, che. Lahat nagawa sa buhok. Madidisapprove ako niyan, te, pag ganyan. Pero dapat hindi blurred ang oten. Ba't pa ang libog mo, te? Napakalibog mo, te. Ikaw tsaka yung isang account, te. Kayong dalawa, ang babastos bibig nyo, ha? Kimi lang, B. Go lang. Basta huwag nyo lang akong babastos, eh. Ayan. Ghillie suit na lang pag gano'n. The heck. Ay, oh my God. Ito yung magandang masarap pakinggan right now. Ito yung feeling ko right now. Hello po. Ah, diba? Nag-hello na yung mga asawa ko. Isa na silang dumadating din. May something talaga sa eyes mo, Ovi. Hi. Allergies. Yun yung meron. Yun yung something sa eyes ko. May allergies. Bitch. Bunsong Kerubin, parang ang corny na ng mga atake mo na. Yung tayo nagregalo, si Rhyme. I know madami na yung mga tao bigla. Gusto niyo talaga chika, no? Umati ka bang chika rin? Love you, ma. Love you too. Love you, Tria. Love you, pa. Stupid ass. Bobo ka, te. Ano tayo dito eh? Ang nangyayari lang dito, ano lang tayo? Nag-aanohan lang tayo. Tag dito. Nagbibigayan. Tapos bigla may magko-comment ng Jades or Leila de Lima. Crazy! Ang baliw nyo, te. Oh my God. Tates, bigla may magko-comment ng I love you pa. I love you pa. Oh my God. You guys are crazy. Patulan tayo dito. Sige. Pag-fantasy lang tayo. I released this parang poem of declaration before, the year before I got in sa Jaggies. Na parang may sinabi ako doon na let our fantasies be our reality. Kaya tuloy-tuloy nyo lang yan. Mag-fantasy lang kayo na mag-fantasy hanggang maging reality nyo na yan. How beautiful, Anes. Hoy, mapansinin mo ako. Ayan na. Love you, fantasy. Oo nga, Mia. Shoot ka. Feeling ko kaya mong ipanalo yung Slation. Sa tingin nyo, let's see kung kaya natin siyang ipanalo. Totoo ba, diva? But thank you, I appreciate it. Pangalawang comment ka na today na nakaka-GB na comment, no? Na nakaka-anting ng damdamin. Ganun nakatake mo sa akin, nangangagat ng burat yan. Tapos bilang ang basos-basos naman ng bibig nung ito. You come on, heartbeat racing, my body racing. I feel the rush. Anong natural color ng mata mo, Ovi? Anong pakialam mo? Oh. Bakit ka ba labas-pasok, Sean? Kanina ka ba labas-pasok? Hello? Kaya mo ba? Gago! Tang-ina ka! Oh my God! Ang lala nung ko. Ang grabe yung reply na yun. Wait lang, Che. Na-stress ako doon. Oh my God. Sinabihan ko ng kanina ka ba labas-pasok. Tapos re-replyan mo ako ng ayaw mo ba? Oh my God. Feeling ko ang dumi-dumi ko, te. Oh my God. Si bakla naman kandaungol naman sa reaction. Napaka-OA. Sige. Wala namang feel naman ni gay. So ito na si Naomi, araw-araw nagsasend ng ganyan. Gay. Dilakad ka. Go. Ano talent show mo? Wala kang pakialam. Miss watching you sana mag-slation ka next time. There will be no next time, girl.
The way we move, skin on skin, no separation, no conversation, on everything, it's automatic, zero to a high,
Nag-send ng Mishka Bear. May live bullets yun tayo. Ay, may tanong ako sa'yo, Sean. Are you cool with smoking, with cigarette? Do you find the smell of a cigarette, somebody else's cigarette, taste in your mouth sexy or no? Diba hindi siya makasagot eh. Kasi I do. O diba, you don't smoke, so no. Damn. Ganun siya. Iba na lang i-smoke mo. Anong iba na lang i-smoke ko? Wait. Anong iba na lang i-smoke mo? Wow. Isang bugahan mo ako dyan. Ayoko, Che. Bahala ka sa buhay mo, te. Diba, wala na nag-comment bigla. Hi! Do you play chess? No.
Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together 'cause we don't know how.
What do you play, OV? Gusto mo bang malaman talaga kung ano yung mga nilalaro ko. Oh my God. My eyes are so dry. I play with dicks. Ooh, queen. Charot. I did taekwondo for a year. Supposedly would be doing competition to elevate my do you wanna smoke? Yes. Where are you? Tara, eme. Oh my God. And then yung araw ng competition mismo na level up na yung magle-level up na yung what you call this? Magle-level up na yung belt ko. Bigla akong nagkaroon ng bulutong. Then after that, I never played anything else. Isn't that fun? Hi, OV. Hi. Do you know how to play instruments din po ba? Bitch, no. Literally none. I just have my charisma, uniqueness, nerve, and talent to rely on thing. So pag wala ng charisma, uniqueness, nerve, and talent, patay na! Gets ba?
Okay.
You live in a dream state. You look in the fantasy. I stay in reality. You live in a dream state. Anytime I count sheep. That's the only time we make up.
Kahit hindi ko yun nanalo, gaga sure ka?
I listen.
Baka ibang version niyang napanood mo ha.
2020 vision. Keep it hit me with precision.
Baka ibang version niyang napanood mo, te. Nanalo kaya ako.
My mind. I said I'm sick of chasing. You're the one that's always running through my daydream. I can only see your face when I close my eyes.
Can I get a kiss?
And can you make it last forever? I said I'm about to go to war. I don't know if I'll see you again. Can I get a kiss? And can you make it last forever? I said I'm about to go to war.
O, naman yung retoke.
I'll see you again.
I said, okay, my infatuation and translating to another form of what you call it. Oh yeah, I ain't met you, I've been looking, stuck and waiting for, I stopped the chasing like an alcoholic. You don't understand me.
What the fuck do you mean?
It's the posted in cheeks, yeah, it's the dirt colored eyes. Sugar, honey, iced tea, Bumblebee on the scene, yeah, I give up my bakery.
Ano ba anti-back? You dumb bitch.
Keep it hit me with precision. I wonder if you look both ways when you cross my mind. I said I'm sick of chasing. You're the one
Ay, eto ang kantahin natin. Ang ganda ng song na to. Super.
Tell me something beautiful tonight. Until your lips turn blue. Said I don't wanna talk about it for too long. Baby, now I think I do. What a red wine gets in the deal time.
Sino pa bang nanonood dito? Okay, babasahin natin ang mga nanonood. Si Chani, si Joe, si Charlie, si Sian, si Kai, si Francis, Luis, hello, si Anya, hi, si Creamy Latte, si Anton Soto, at si DVD. Bading, may bigote na nga ako't balbas, pura loka ka, Vega na. Wala ka bang ibang nakikita ng taong walang bigote, na may bigote at balbas? That's crazy! Ikaw, te, mukha kang tanga. Carry lang ba yan? Kapakamaldita. Bakit parang ayaw nyo po kay Pura Luca Vega? Wala akong sinasabing ganyan. Bobo ka lang talaga, te. Kamukha nyo po si Obi Con. Great. Station Royal na ba? Bakit? Baka laawayin mo sarili mo, te. Gumawa ka ng sarili mong naratibo. Crazy! Crazy! Sobrang crazy. You're a fucking child. You should not be here. Get off the internet. Make your brain go bigger. Guys, hindi ko nare-replyan tong taong to kasi he's speaking how do you even say it? Gumagawa na siya ng gulo na wala naman. No, I'm not gonna block that person. Hayaan mo siya magsalita. Kasi sa dulo siya naman yung magmumukhang tanga eh. Right. Napaka sensitibong nilala. Baliw, te. Nakakaloka yun. Nakakatawa yung basag trip. Oh my god, this is crazy. Ayan na siya. I love! Oh my god. This is fun. Go ahead. Just let them go off. It's weird.
Let's pretend it's not the end of the world.
Rakaka. Yeah, send it to fucking girl. Send it to her. Who you trying to fucking be scared of? Girl, you're making a fucking stupid. Puro assuming lang. Wala naman, hindi lahat ng bagay kailangan Oh my god. Hello. Di ba? Vibe check tayo ulit, che. Vibe check. Gumagawa siya ng issue. Mga bakla, nakita niyo naman yung pangyayari, di ba? Sinabi ko lang naman na porkit porkit what you call this, may bigot at may balbas, wala ka naman ibang ikilalang tao kundi si Pura Luca Vega. Yun lang naman yung sinabi ko, di ba? hello, ayun na lang tayo, di ba? Isa siyang norm, ano siya. I don't know what you're talking about, baby girl. Diba, and then, like, if you wanna, I'm not fighting you, Tehan. I just wanna say this. I'm not fighting you. I don't give a fuck about anything of this what's happening. Sabi mo kasi dito, I was just saying na hawig mo dito. Ano yun? Sabi niya, guys, hindi ako nakikipag-away. I just wanna make that fucking clear to everybody here. And I just wanna point out something to what you said too, na parang I was just saying na hawig mo siya and yung statement mo is parang diring-diri ka. A while ago, ang ginamit mong salita is kamukha nyo po si Pura Loica Vega. So parang ang sinasabi mo kanina din na statement is hawig. Kung magkakaroon tayo ng demandahan dito, che, magkaiba yung dalawang sinabi mo. Magkaiba ang salitang kamuka at hawig, che. So you wanted me to react. You're waiting for me to have a reaction. So now you have it, baby girl. Ayan, oh. You repeatedly, commented it to have a fucking reaction for me. Right. Diba? How fun is that? Tapos tatakutin mo ako na isasend mo sa kanya niya. Isend mo, te. Gawa mo pa tayong tatlo ng GC because you're creating a fucking issue. People who was here earlier while that was happening, please note. Please note of whatever is happening right now. Because that person will try. Don't try, baby girl. Wrong queen, baby girl. Wrong queen. Girl. Ate, we don't have to have this discussion because everybody knows here that that's not brand new here. It's how I fucking react to things. I don't like whatever bullshit that you're trying to do. Oo, te. Guys, let's not talk to him na hayaan mo na siya. But I just wanna say, baby girl, I have no, ill feeling against you. I wish you all the fucking best at whatever you do in life. If you're a drag fan, hopefully one day you get to experience this magical of a life, no? Find your path in life. Right? Sending you energy. Oh my God. You know. Kayo nakaboto sa finale kay Arizona Brandy.
When you can still see the light.
Of course.
I'm not in the city tonight. I like your playlist, boys. Turn it up a little.
Oh my God, tatanggal ko yung nakaharang doon sa septum, ko. Septum piercing ko.
Don't mind them nights, alright, rooftop now. It's golden now, all the time. It's a midnight sun kiss, get under the red sky, late night just like this. Hold me like the pebbles in your hand.
Girl, the parasocial relationship that people build here, isn't it amazing? Kantahan ko na lang kayo. Ito na lang tayo, che. And I know you're still here. Because I see it.
Ice cream castles in the air. and feather
Girl, both sides now, mama.
look the clouds
Ayan na siya, T. Wag yun na siyang pansinin, guys. Let the person go na. I honestly don't care. Nakakatawa yung question, T. May karanasan ka na ba? Wow.
So many things I would have done.
Thank you so much, Super Bino, for the hat.
I looked at clouds
Che, are you a fan of Lana Del Rey?
sides now.
Am I a fan of Lana Del Rey? Girl, please.
Still somehow it's cloudy visions I recall.
Girl, please.
I really don't know clouds.
Naranasan mo na ba ito?
Flames so hot that they turn blue.
Oh. Guys, stop. Guys, stop. Guys, stop. Everybody stop.
Clouds reflecting in your eyes, like an endless summer.
Guys, stop. Guys, stop. Oh my God.
I feel for you.
Guys, stop.
If time stood still, I'd take
It ain't cool.
this moment, make it last forever.
Thank you. Pati minsan venue ng season 2.
Eyes full of fire.
Rise it up, rising up. Nakakatawa kayo, te. Nakakatawa yun, te. Nakakatawa yun. If you wanna live, come to California, be afraid like me too. When kayo mag-show ulit? December, meron akong October, meron akong November.
We could slow dance to rock music, kiss while we do it, talk till we both turn blue. Baby, if you wanna leave, come to California.
Okay, real tea, did I handle that like correct naman, no? Hindi naman ako nagtatala. Right. Yeah, clock. Nung season 2, sino pinakamalakas mamulutan, che? Hindi ko na matandaan ano ba yan. Ang tagal-tagal na nung panahon na yun. Matagal na panahon na iyon, be. Ano ba yan? Ano pa bang maganda patugtugin na ano? To uplift our moods. Kailangan natin mag-uplift ng mood. Alam ko na. Alam ko na siya, che. Eto na siya, che. Guys, maloloka ba kayo pag ito yung pinatugtog ko? Te, naiintindihan nyo ba to, te? Naiintindihan nyo ba yun? Kayo yung totoong Ovican fan. Kung alam nyo tong kanta to. Hello.
Are you ready for your Aphrodite? The song lets you in, know you're back down and up again. I got you on my side. It's just a rolling ride. It's the truth, it's a fact. I was gone and now I'm back here. Can you feel me in stereo? Can you feel me in stereo? I got soul you can share. In my heart, in my hand. I got spirit.
Yes, I'll see you there.
You think I wasn't real? I'm going back and forth and forth and back. Oh, oh, can you feel me in stereo? Can you feel me in stereo? Oh, I'm Kristen, feeling mine. I'm a golden girl. I'm an Aphrodite. Alright, alright, yeah, yeah. I'm Kristen, feeling mine. Don't you mess with me. You don't want me back. Alright, alright, is that alright? Here's what I do when I know what I can do. I let you into my world with mouth to mouth and kiss to kiss. Can you feel me in stereo? Can you feel me in stereo? You know you can take me in. This is where the fun begins. I'm gonna fill your heart, stop in my hands. I'm going back and forth and forth and back. Oh, can you feel me in stereo? Can you feel me in stereo? Oh, I'm Kristen, feeling mine. I'm a golden girl. I'm an Aphrodite. Alright, alright, yeah, yeah. I'm Kristen, feeling mine. Don't you mess with me. You don't want me back. Alright, alright, yeah, yeah. You know that I'm magical and I am the original.
Ang saya lang po makita kang nakangiti may OB. Weirdo! Thank you. Can you feel it?
Unom kabok, pandesal, kaso strong na ini.
Wait.
My sister is like you.
What's happening?
That is my sister. You want my sister?
I don't understand.
O di, who are you?
What language? What language you stay? I speak English. Oy, Bisaya ka
Where
dire.
are you from? From?
Indonesia.
Jati kasabot man siya Bisaya. Hoy, Gerald.
Ingay yung isa dito, pre.
Indonesia?
Ingay yung isa dito. Oh. Tingnan nyo.
Can you speak English?
Yeah, I need to
A little?
little silent.
A little?
Yeah, let's go. We need to fight in TikTok because we need to do the Accept naman.
Ring the alarm.
It said to turn it down.
What?
Tagalog
It
mo
said
lagi
to
na.
turn it down.
Turn it?
Down.
No, dito mo tuoy nga. Kuan na siya. English na siya. Kay iyahang kuan pa lang kay. Kabalo
Tagalog lagi na siya.
Ugod.
Sige.
Uy, Bisaya man kaugkan.
Correct.
Ay,
Are you Bisaya?
What is Bisaya?
Nasa ulit.
No, uy, iyahang kuan ba? Yung accent kay Bisaya. Ay, kanang Bisaya nga Tagalog bitaw.
Ulit tayo.
Indonesia. Indo daw siya.
You from Indo?
Indo. Saan ka ma?
Indonesia.
Can you speak Korean?
No.
Are you sure you live in Indo?
Indonesia.
Yeah.
But your accent is like Filipino.
It's near.
Oh.
Wait.
It's almost the same.
Oh, apa kabar? Apa kabar?
It's wrong.
Apa kabar?
It's wrong daw.
Apa kabar?
Oh.
Mahawa na ta diri-diri nang hatag naman siyang problema sa ato. Ala day, ni katawa na siya day.
Ego, this one.
Ami cantik. Ami cantik. Ami cantik.
Day, atik-atik na niya day, hawa na dira day, uy, maro na siyang kulungo.
Awa na!
Ali na day, uy, hawa na dira day, piste, hatag-hatag na lang problema sa ato. Day, hawa na day, nagulat kong kadraba.
Tara.
Masim na, sumbagta ka ron. Bye-bye.
Sila kaya nag-request? I have no idea. I just accepted the request. I was just checking. Oh my god, should you do it again? They just sent me the fucking request and I said yes. Sure. Okay, we're gonna be sending I have no who they are. Okay.
Hello.
You are
Oh,
from
hello. Hello.
ano? Ano ba yun?
तो मैं नहीं कूड़े कड़े ना गल करता कितना करी आ जा मेरी है ना नो माय फ्रेंड नो मैच माय फ्रेंड हाँ जो मैं कूड़ा मैं
Gago kapatid ko, Che. Gago ka. Oh, whoa. Oh my God, nakalive si Mima Otlum. Sumali kaya ako. Oh my God. Mag-send tayo ng mga invite sa mga random na tao. Whoa. Whoa. Ayan, sasali tayo. We're just waiting for the approval of our visas. And then we're gonna go na. The approval of the visa. Hindi ako pwede mag-ano. Hello.
Oh my god.
Ay.
Hello. I came
Oh,
here to do
Dragon.
some research right now.
ये क्या भी जाते हैं
Medyo talaga.
Live. Ayan, I have a question for you.
Yes, please.
What's your latest guilty pleasure?
आपको भाई अपना गलबात करना
Guilty
चाहिए
pleasure.
तो आपको
I did not get you. What are you saying?
आज ये ठंडी आई है
Do you have any pets?
काट वाला
Ba't nag-disconnect naman si nanay? Oh, hindi ko makaalis. Award siya. Hindi siya makaalis. Bakla, hindi siya makaalis. Award. Super laps. Let's invite other people in. Ay, nang malis. Try ka natin sa mga masarap. Mag-check tayo ng masarap. Masarap, masarap, masarap. Oh, masarap. Ay, ito, parang pasabog to. Masarap, 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 masarap. Oh, masarap. Hello, Bobby. Ayan, tingnan natin si Bobby masarap. Ay, hindi. Masarap. Charot lang, tiya. Charot lang. Unable naman tayo mag-join. Ano namang masarap dito? Masarap, 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 masarap. Chinito, tito. Maya. Maya. Kilala si Maya. Eto. Si Kenneth Magiling. Try natin mag-join. Ay, putang ina. Nag-end yung live niya. So, hindi na tayo nakasali sa live niya. Ito, si Sandoval Diamante. Paunahan na lang kayo, na. Di pa nga. Ay, fuck! Wala pa rin tayo. Wala pa rin tayong makakolab. Maya! The sugar of my tongue. Parang boring na, guys. Sorry, it's boring time na already. Bye-bye.